This is the big gun exhaust, and these are some silencers you can put in it to just quiet it down a little bit. Got a spark arrestor, a spacer, a louder silencer, and then the quieter silencer. So what you're gonna want to do first is take out these 4 little screws. They come out pretty easy.
What size are they?
4mm. It's just a 4mm Allen. Already gotten these loose, so I'm just using this to get them out all the way. Okay, so that should just come right off. And so basically I'm gonna put this silencer in first and see how it is. And I was just looking for a little quieter because this thing is really loud. It's full exhaust. I made a video on taking the stock exhaust off and putting this one on. If you guys want to go check that out. So this one slides right in there, and there's the spacer and the spark arrestor. I'm only gonna do the spark arrestor. The spacer, this thing, it just rattles just a tad bit if you don't have this in there. This just doesn't make it rattle anymore. But I'm just gonna put the spacer in, or the spark arrestor in, so it'll just so you have the end of it where it's facing outside. You're gonna want this going in like that. So it should look something like that, and it's kind of a weird fit. You're gonna want to make sure you push that in all the way, and then put the spark arrestor right there, right where you want it, and then put your finger through here so you can hold that spark arrestor right there, and then make sure you don't move your finger at all, so you just keep it in the same spot. So you're gonna put that the tip back on the exhaust. Make sure you're not moving your finger. Put the screw back on your Allen, and I'm just gonna get these started. So I got that one started. So I'm gonna just let up now. It should stay in about the same spot. See, we got a little movement right there. I'm gonna go ahead and redo that. So again, gonna just wanna put the spark arrestor in like that, so it's facing outwards. So just put it on like that. Slide your finger through here. Got that right there. That's exactly where I want it. Slide this bad boy on. Switch fingers. Get a screw put on my Allen, and then get these started. I got that one started. We're gonna move on to another one. I'm gonna do like a crisscross pattern. Got that one started. I'm just gonna keep my finger on there just so it doesn't move, just to make sure that's how I want it. Gonna start this one. Get that one real good. And then the fourth and final one, we're gonna go ahead and throw on here. I didn't get that one started very good. Some of these are a little tough to get in. But we're gonna throw the ratchet on there now, make sure it's on, and get these bad boys tightened up. You're not gonna want these super duper tight, but you're also not gonna want them loose. Yeah, just run these in a little bit.